Hi and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will create simple but beautiful bracelet using memory wire and crystals. All necessary materials you will find in the description below this video. Let's start. First of all, you need to decide how wide will be your bracelet. My future bracelet will be 3 full loops wide. So for it I find my beginning, then I count 3 full loops and I cut it on the floor. This will be my future bracelet. To start, I will take my round nose pliers and I will bend one of the sides and will create a small loop. My loop is ready and I will start to create my design of future bracelet. I don't know yet how it will look like in the end, but I know for sure that it will be very Christmassy with some red, green, white and gold. I think this kind of design I will repeat during all my bracelet. I think it will be very nice in the end. So what I will do is just to follow my pattern and repeat it all the way till I will finish my bracelet. I will check it. Till now I'm happy with the result, I like it. It's very colorful and I really like when in one bracelet you use big crystals and small crystals in different shapes and some metal elements, seed beads. It all gives that extra glam and shine and beautiful shape of the bracelet. Let's continue. I finished to put on my crystals, so now I will just bend my wire this way, then I will cut extra and I will make a loop out of this wire. My loops are ready from both sides, and now I will decorate them with some pendants. For it, I take my pendant, I take a jump ring, open the loop, I will attach my bell, and I will attach it to the loop on my bracelet. One. To this loop I will attach a leaf. As well I take a jump ring, I open it, attach it to the leaf, and then to the loop, and close. That's it. Our loops are decorated and our bracelet is ready. Our bracelet is ready. Now I will show you how it looks on the hand. I hope this tutorial was useful for you and you will create your own memory wire bracelet with crystals and some pendants. Of course you can use some gemstones and different colors, but I'm inspired with an upcoming Christmas, and I wanted to create something in the colors of Christmas. It came nice and bright. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye!